So this customer in Shildon, County Durham, wanted their engineered wooden floor fully restoring. They wanted it sanding back and then protecting with 3 coats of a clear matte lacquer, with a matte sheen. So it was off to work with the belt sander, and you can see some of these watermarks coming out already. This is using the belt sander on a 40 grit, which is the most aggressive, coarser paper, and then we move through the grits to the more finer sanding. So yeah, it was coming off lovely. Floor was getting levelled. There were some low points, as you can see, which comes from natural movement of the floor. But yeah, it wasn't really any match for the belt sander. So edges got done too. This is the Palm and Gecko doing its work. So this is leveling the edges and blending it in with the main area that we've just sanded with the belt sander. Obviously giving it a vacuum as we're going to get it nice and protected for or prepared for the coat. So this is it. So this is a Classic Plus, a Boratec Classic Plus matte satin lacquer. Added protection, obviously removed any scratches, floor looked lighter, and the customer was so happy with the end result.